Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this wig I was sent from Unice Hair. Just in case any of you guys are interested, I'm going to go ahead and leave all the details in my description box. So, this is what the wig looks like. This is actually how the wig comes straight out of the packaging. I know a lot of people wanted me to show what the wig looks like straight out the packaging without me manipulating it and doing anything to this wig. So, I did not pluck the hairline. The hairline already comes pre-plucked. I could go in and pluck it some more, but I just want you guys to see how you can still wear this wig as is. Now, the bleach, I'm just all over the place today. Like, I can't even concentrate because it stinks so bad. Like, I don't understand, y'all. I really think somebody, like, did a number two and it's coming through my vents, and I'm really offended right now. So whew, I'm like really annoyed. This is crazy. But anyway, like I don't even know what I was saying. But yeah, I want to show you guys that you can still wear the wig straight out of the packaging or whatever. It also came pre-curled as well. So this is a 13x4 lace front wig. It already came pre-colored, pre-styled, and this is what the curls look like. So I did not go in and curl this hair at all, you guys. Also, I don't know if I mentioned the knots did not come bleached. You could go in and bleach the knots, but I didn't. But overall, I really like this wig. I love the color on here. I received a couple wigs that was actually this color. I think one was a curly wig and one was a straight wig. I think another company actually sent me this exact same wig. But I think that I'm going to go in and dye it like a color or tone it or something so it won't look exactly the same, because I'll be forgetting what wigs I receive. But but yeah, I really love this wig. The color is so bomb, y'all. Like, I really appreciate this color. But I do go back in and fix the curls, because the curls, although I like the curls on it, they was just all over the place. Um, so I wanted it to be more, neat and more uniform. So I did go in with my burl curler and curl it, and I gave myself a little middle part. But yeah, that's basically it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video. See, like on the side, if you actually wanted to wear these curls, you could. On the side, it was really pretty, but I wanted a middle part, and how the curls looked as a middle part, I just was not feeling it. So yeah. Anyway, that's it. Like I said, I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.